In this video, I will explain about abstract classes in Java. Before explaining coding, I will have some important points you must know. What is an abstract class? An abstract class in Java is a class declared with the keyword abstract. It cannot be instantiated. You cannot directly create object to the abstract class. It can have abstract methods and concrete methods. Abstract methods in the sense only method declaration. There is no implementation for that method. Concrete methods means the method itself have body in the sense it has its own implementation. The abstract class can have variables, constants, and constructors. We can have abstract class without any abstract method also. We can define static methods in abstract class that can be called independently without the object. And when to use abstract class? When you want to define a common structure but leave some details to be decided by subclass. I will show an example. In this case, we have a payment system. If you create one payment class, payment abstract class, all subclasses like credit card payment, UPI payment will extend the payment abstract class. The payment abstract class will contain only the common methods. Let's jump into the coding part. Here we have a abstract class animal. It has a variable name, and here we have a two constructor. One is no argument constructor and one is argument constructor. Here the argument is the name, and here I created one method, abstract method. It doesn't have any implementation. The child class will implement this sound method, and here we have one concrete method also. It's called eat. Here if you see we have an implementation for that. Here the child classes for animal, dog and cat. Both are extending the animal class and they are implementing the sound abstract method. Here the reason created the sound method as abstract method. The child classes have the different implementation for this sound. That's why here we declared sound as the abstract method. We will test this code once. Here I am creating the object to the dog and inside I am passing the dog name. The reference is animal. The animal is the abstract class. Here I am calling dog.sound. It will call dog class sound method. It will print its sound behavior. As well, I am calling it. It is the common method in abstract class. And I am calling here static method of the animal class. Here it will print the name of the dog. Here if you see, at first line it is printing the sound of the dog. At second line it is printing the eat method from the animal class. At third it is printing the name of the dog.